AMPER, the largest trade fair of electrotechnics in Central Europe, attracted 600 exhibitors from 22 countries to the Brno Trade Fair Grounds, along with over 50,000 visitors from the professional public. The international scale of the trade fair is constantly proven by the high number of foreign exhibitors and visitors. One of the highlights of the trade fair is the Golden AMPER competition, to which 29 exhibitors were entered. Awards were given to the best of the best at the Grand Gala ceremony. The awards committee for this prestigious competition was made up of well-respected experts from many technical universities under the leadership of Professor Vrba from the Brno University of Technology. The Golden AMPER was awarded for the exhibit The Heat Pump for industrial specialized applications to the company Master Therm, tepelná čerpadla, s.r.o. The well-visible red and white stand of the company Master Therm stood out most in the whole pavilion. The company Master Therm is a traditional and the largest Czech producer of a wide range of heat pumps. This time, Master Therm focused its trade fair presentations on heat pumps designed especially for industrial use.
Na veletrh AMPER jsme přivezli nové tepelné čerpadlo Master 90 inverter, které je určeno zejména pro průmysl.
We have brought a new heat pump to the trade fair, the Master 90 inverter, which is designed especially for industrial applications due to its wide range of output and operating temperatures. We can bring cooling water to the primary circuit from industrial applications with a temperature of between -5 and +30 degrees Celsius. On the heating side, we can use heat in the range of between 20 and 60 degrees Celsius. The output ranges from 7 to 55 kilowatts, depending on the thermal conditions. Master Therm heat pumps have been using a unique algorithm for some time now to control injections of refrigerant. It isn't necessary to look for the position of the injection valve. However, we are able to predict it using software. So we can set the injection valve to the position it should be in without having to wait until an error in regulation defines its position. With the ability to monitor this on the internet, we can offer customers the maximum care even at times when the customer is not monitoring the system and has no idea what is actually going on, such as on night shift when maintenance is not on hand. Our heat pumps are suitable for large buildings and for recycling heat, especially since it can be connected to the master LAN system, where 16 heat pumps can work in a cascade. Therefore, the output is not restricted to that of one pump, but we're able to multiply it out by a factor of 16 pumps. We congratulate the company Master Therm on their prestigious award and their successful presentation at the trade fair.